This is the FireRoster April update video. Thanks for watching. Some things that we've added on this release is a weather widget. You can find that by clicking on the available widget control panel and choosing weather and drag and drop. This module is customizable. By clicking on the configure button, you can choose what options you show and don't show. Another enhancement we made was to the station notes. We made it so that station notes don't just disappear the day after they were written. They will stay on your dashboard for as long as you choose. This setting is up to you, and you access it by clicking this configuration button, and you specify the number of days for notes to remain on your dashboard. Another feature we added to the station notes is to be able to look up past notes. You can do a search by typing in the person's name, part of a note, or a station name. You can select a date range. Another enhancement that we made is to the callout list. Let's open up one. We added this button called Add Respondee, where you can manually enter somebody who responded and said that they're willing to work this overtime. And it works just the same as if they would have done it themselves on their phone or a computer. It will rank them according to criteria that your department has specified. The other thing that we've done differently to this call out is now you have the ability to select multiple people all at one time. Prior to this, if you had 3 spots to fill, you had to send out 3 individual page outs, and then you had to process all 3 of those one at a time. Now you can send out one call out and then select as many people off of that list as you need. So I need 3 people, so I'm going to select the top 3. And I know I need someone on the back end for engine 1. And on my ladder, I know I need a driver. And this 3rd spot, I know I need a 3rd person for minimum staffing, but I don't know exactly where I'm going to put them yet. I'm going to move around a couple guys, so I'm just going to leave all of this blank. FireRoster will put this person on the schedule, on that shift, and on that day, but they just won't assign them to a resource or position or anything. It marks these buttons green to signify that you have selected this person. If you don't want to select someone, just go back, click on it, and then click on cancel, and it will change them back to unselected. But I do want this one picked. Once you're happy with your selection, click on award members, and it's going to give you a small little preview of what you want to do. Here's the members, this is the resource you're going to put them on, this is the position you're going to put them on, and these are the work codes that you're going to assign to them. And you see here, M. Stubbings is not going to be assigned to a resource or a position, but he will be assigned a work code. Once you're done, hit submit. And then it refreshes the page and it shows you that these top 3 have been awarded this shift. We also made 2 enhancements to the member page. The first is we added a ranking field, and this is a numeric field. This is useful in situations where 2 employees have the same hire date or the same promotion date, and you need to differentiate which one ranked higher on a captain's exam or their firefighter exam. This ranking would come into play when it comes to bidding shifts or overtime or call-out lists. The second thing we added to this page is the ability to specify a work code when you assign someone to a shift. So if I want to put this person on A shift, engine 1 as a back end, I can choose different work codes. By default, it was always regular, but maybe you are temporarily putting someone on a place or light duty or some scenario. You can specify a different work code. We also added the ability for a user to add a note when they're submitting a leave request. If you use time requests, you've noticed that that note field was already there. Now we simply added it to leave request as well. Thanks for watching this update video. If you have any questions or suggestions on new features, please reach out to us.